guys, so today in this video I'm gonna do a quick and easy chicken tout brooder box. All I'm gonna do is, you see I have a tout right here. This is the largest one I could get at Walmart that was transparent. I needed to see what was going on in there. And what I've seen people do is like replace the top with a mesh, but I'm gonna make this easier on myself because we do have a drill around, and I'm just gonna drill holes in the top, you know, for ventilation. There goes hole number 1, and I'll just continue. There's nothing fancy going on here. I am just going across with the drill and making holes. Nothing fancy. I did 8 holes over here and then 8 holes over here. A little bit of crack, but that's just more ventilation, guys. Now this is as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bedding in. This should be enough space for all the chicks I have. So this is the shavings that I have for the chicken coop. Normally I'd buy the smaller one, but I couldn't get to the store that I normally go to, and this is the one I got at the store that's closest to me. So I'm gonna start by putting some in the bottom of that. You can feel it, Nyla. Not a lot, just enough, because you know the bedding is gonna have to be changed quite regular. So just enough to cover the bottom, I guess. And the kiddos are helping me out, as you can see here. And this is pine shaving. Smells so good. That's about it, guys. One last handful. One last handful. Good job. Good job, Nyla. Good job, Valen. That's enough. I'm saying 5 minutes. Oh, that's pretty close though on the camera. There we go. I said 5 minutes and here we are.
It was 10 seconds after she said 5 minutes and stopped recording.
This is the warmest room in the house, and I'm just gonna put this water bottle right here so they can come hover around it for warmth. I'm gonna put the lid on. And this is how good the water bottle is working. They were all here huddled up to get warmed, and now they're all coming around the water bottle to stay warm. And Valen said, baby, baby. Baby, baby, baby. I did get a heating lamp and our heating plate, whatever they want to call this one. I got this at Tractor Supply. The box may be a bit small for it, but they're doing fine. And in the next few days, we should have a brooder box made for them. Hello, 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 hello. I'm happy to see that they're all strong. All they've gotten this far is just their starter feed and water. It's just plain water. There's no electrolytes or anything in there. I don't see the need for it. That's just me, but they're doing great.